Hello and welcome to taik18. I'm Mohammed Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to create quick list in Power Query. So don't underestimate the power of the list in Power Query. It's really powerful. We can use in multiple ways, and it's it's a multi-purpose functions which you can use. So we'll dig into this in a multiple videos because it has a lots of content inside to that. It is really hard for me to even record and also for you to digest the functionality of it, the usability of this one. So we'll do short videos on this one so that it will be clear, perfect understanding of each and every functionality of this one. So before going into this, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Now let's get started. So now I'm into Power Query editor here, and if I right click here and new query and also a blank query. So if you have seen my recent videos where I have just given to create a list here, static list, which is you can pass it equal to here and then curly bracket and then pass any values here. So if I pass my name here and also the channel name, now it is showing as Adnan taik18. If I hit enter, this actually gives me the list here, and I can use this list in multiple ways, and I can convert this into a table, and then I can use this table in the filtration or merging of other queries on the other tables. I have made a video about these things, how you can make use of this one. The video name is Dynamic Filters in Power Query. Please go and check out that video as well. I'm going to add the video link in the description below of this video. So this is a quick way where you can create the list here. Not only this is a static way which you can add it here, but the good part which I like the most is if I click on 1 here, just for example, and if I use double dot and then click on 20 and hit enter, this just gives me the list of numbers from 1 to 20 here. This is amazing, right? Yeah, this is what I want to highlight you. If you want to create a list of numbers, then you can just type 1.20, then it will just give you the list of available numbers here. Not only that, it also accepts this ABCD thing. If I click on A, comma, and then Z, if I hit enter, then it just gives A to Z. Actually, I need to add double dot here and hit enter. Now this will give me the list of ABCD alphabetic number till Z here. This is cool, right? So this is a quick way which you can create here. Now you may think about whether this is possible to create the list of dates here or not. So for dates, actually what you need to do is you need to click on list dot. There are a number of options which is coming up here, right? So if you click on list dot date here, list dot dates, and if I open bracket here, it doesn't give up the IntelliSense here. So actually what we need to do is we need to pass the start date and then number of days and the increment of the dates. So for this, what I need to do, I'm going to use the date with hash key and then date here. Open bracket. The year I need to pass 2022, 1, and I need to use 10 days. And the incremental, this is the important thing for the increment one, a duration format, which is basically hash and then duration and open bracket, and here we need to pass date, hour, minute and second. So that is how it described here. And if I click close here and now click on commit. Oh, here I need to remove this one and click on OK. This nicely gives me the starting date from 1st of January 2022 to 10th of January 2022 with the 10 dates here with the range start of these things. This is pretty cool and easy way to add the dates duration from here. So this will be also helpful if you want to create a date table, and from that you can begin these things here. So this is just the first part of this list functionality. We'll discuss more about that in the upcoming videos of this one.